Ayaw nilang ibigay sa Raimundo. What a move from the main man. The big deal. Watch this move. Easy does it for the main man.
Was coming for the first time. Naku, nakawala si Jun Limpot. Andy Ganawa to Balinger. He's blocked by Jun Limpot. A terrific block there by Limpot. 20% ng anitang mga in your face. Ayan.
Nelson Asayton.
Oh, what a move!
And somehow,
As we saw the statistics
Hey,
probably
tama
by
naman.
side, and again,
What a move by Jun Limpot!
going away, faking two people, and he is gone. Lost. Limpot picks it up, and
Limpot, binubulabog.
Agawad. Nagpagulo na.
Tinira niya.
The second delivery ni John.
That's why their scoring percentage has also improved.
alone in the candy store, and he made a slam.
This time they go to Limpot. Good up and under move.
well as our
Okay, yung Pantera. Wow! That shot by Jun Limpot. Talaga sa Limpot sa ilalim!
At end one situation para kay Jun Limpot.
Kilala niya ang mga habits nito mga ito. At si Jun Limpot ang inaalam. Itong veterano si Jun Limpot ha. Series. Napasok kay Jun.
Nice pick and roll.
Yes, and on the fly.
nilaglag kay Limpot. He goes the reverse. Yes, sir.
4 on the shot clock, Sandro Limpot. Everybody expected a slam.
Kita natin si Limpot na trabaho to. Ayan na. Hinihintay nilang, ayun. Dumating si... Oh, parang ka dyan.
Oh, Limpot, two-hander.
Sa San Miguel at Santa Lucia, Jun Limpot over Bong Alvarez. Nakakuha pa ng foul itong si Jun.
Ayun na naman, naiwanan na naman kay Buti yan. Lagay mo na kay Parker yan. That Parker is a good defender at the post at the same time.
Today in the league. Limpot lusot ni Hatfield.
Very strong inside player. Nice by Limpot. Again, Jun.
Eto na nga, quarter, Jun Limpot.